Art 101. We're gonna see if we can do it. You need 3 things. You need a mirror, your eyeliner brush, and your eyeliner. We're using our cream eyeliner today because I think it's a little bit easier than a liquid liner. I like an angled brush because I think they're easier to work with than a flat brush. Here's what you're gonna do in our really unflattering overhead lighting. Ready?
Yes, so.
The first thing is you need your mirror, right? So you're gonna have your mirror into your pot and just pick up a little bit. So just a little bit. Do this job. Literally pat it onto the thing. You're gonna push your lashes down, bump up against your lash line, and do a baby pull. You wanna watch me first?
Yeah.
Okay. Push my lashes down with my brush. The long side of my brush is pointed into my nose. Starting at the outside, I'm not starting at the inside. I'm pushing my eyelashes down, bumping up against my lash line, and then doing a baby pull. It's not gonna be perfect. And you're gonna I know, but you can do it. Basically just walk your way in to about here, where your iris starts.
Okay.
And then we'll talk. Okay? You're gonna be great.